Let's go. Where are we going, Kenzie?
We're going to the shopping.
And what are we gonna get?
Bracket.
A bracket. We're just down at Pirate Camp Co. Come down to see James and get the new bracket for under bonnet for the compressor. In the N70, this was the compressor system. Before that compressor system, I used to have a box. The compressor in it, Anderson plug, an outlet, and a switch. There's a bracket that lets me put this and that in there. Okay, so I got the compressor out of its old home onto the bench. Now I just got to mount it to the new bracket. Fresh new bolts, nuts, everything. Bracket, that's for the switch and the air outlet. Like that.
I'm going to try and point it out because there's a lot of holes there. So I'd sit on there and line it up. So if I was to get this one, for example, if I see these slots here, it's running out. You can see where you can put bolts in. So we've got bolts in there. The rest of the bolts, that washers.
Alright, now that that's all mounted in, we're gonna slot this guy in here, which make sure that we can still get to our cables. So we're gonna have to plug them in after. So make sure that they're still accessible and line up our holes. It's just a matter of getting a finger tight started and then sendy. Okay, got that somewhat in place. Now there's bolts underneath. One there, one down there, and one there. Now the actual compressor is mounted in there. I'm left with what was Anderson plugs before, so I can chop these off. Got a couple of terminals here, so I'll just be able to bang them onto the end of that, and then straight onto the battery, because I'm going to have my switch separately that's going to actually turn it on and off. Nice and tight, that's not going anywhere. And power. And then that can go onto that one. That's covered. Get him back into place. And then we're literally left with a switch. If we run off the old switch just as a test, this could go off when I put it on. Yep. Oh, it's because it's on. So now we're working. Now, utilizing the old switch I had, I've actually just put that in there. It actually fits perfect, and cable just goes in through the hole there, which is nice. It's already covered, so it's protected, but it's actually different to the bracket that was given from them. So now if I wanted to, I can just run this airline to wherever I want, which I could use their bracket that's here, but then it's using the wrong spot, so I might even just do it straight out of that. Who knows? I don't know. So I ended up running the airline. I've actually done a new air fitting. The plastic ones tend to leak. This is a bit better one, being stainless. So this runs around here into here. I've just left that loose. I'm probably going to make up some form of a bracket that's going to mount there. The Pirate one does come with a bracket that goes here, mounts into these two spots, and it actually blanks off this, but I really like that switch being here. Works well. That's it, it's installed, it's working. I can now go pump up my tyres wherever I am. Bang, done. Switch on and off, nice and easy. So guys, that is the Pirate Camp Co. under bonnet N80 compressor mount. Nice and simple, easy. I think I've done it in about an hour and a half. Obviously I already had some wiring there, but it was a very easy job. So jump over to Pirate Camp Co, grab yours. This isn't paid. I did pay for that bracket. It's not a sponsored post. It's not a sponsored anything. I've literally gone out and bought it myself, bought the compressor myself. So yeah, if you guys are enjoying this, thumbs up, subscribe. See you next time.